Hello, my dear friends. My name is Ranjay, and you are watching our YouTube channel, Techno Ranjay channel. In the series of Java tutorial, today we are going to discuss about the polymorphism, and in this polymorphism concept of OPS, we will discuss with a practical method of method overloading. We have two methods in the polymorphism. One is method overloading, and another is method overriding. Okay, so in the next video we will see the method overriding. In this video we will just go and create a project of method overloading. Okay, so here we have a Java project name. Just give a name as a polymorphism and just finish it. Okay, we have got the project as well. So one thing must be assured that your Eclipse ID, just click here on the Eclipse ID if you are working on core Java, and if you are working on the web services or Java E Enterprise Edition, then switch to this. Okay, so we have created a project also. So let's go and create a package for method overloading. Okay, so here we will write method overloading. Okay, so we have finished it and the package is completed. So let's go and create a class in the same package, and class name as overloading. Okay, click the main method also. So we have got the class method package method overloading, and the class name is overloading. Okay, so this is the main method. We will see later on. Firstly, what we will have to do in method overloading, we have, suppose that we have a class. Just create class techno. You can give any name. I am giving this name. You can take any name in as a class. Okay, so we have a class techno, and in the same class we will define some method also. So we have void show method with constructor, and okay, so we have got the method also. So just print something in the method. Hello world. Okay, this is the message. This method is taking this message to be printed. So in order to call this particular method, you have to create a object of that particular class. Okay, so we will create techno t1 is equal to new techno. So we have got the object of that particular class. Okay, so now if we have to call this method, what we will have to do, we just take t1 as a reference variable dot and the method name. So we just save it and run. When you run, you will get the output as a hello world. So this is the simple we have one method present in the same class. But when you have another method present in the same class with the same name, suppose we have a method void show, okay, with the same name and same this void show and the exactly same, then it will show the error. But when we put here integer value or float value in this, the error will be gone. So this is the concept of method overloading. So we will see in the result. Let me give some message. So here we will give a message as hello world with integer value, and we just give concatenate the value of I. Okay, we have this value I. Okay, so just save it, and when you give here some integer value, suppose we will give this value as a 6, and just save it and run it. So we have got the answer as a hello world with integer value is equal to 6. We have given the 6 in the method, so we have a single method, we have a two method with a different arguments. So in this there is no argument is present in this method, and with the same method we have a argument as a integer, and when we run this method, this calls the method which contain the integer value. So this is the method overloading, it overload the method. So when we put here the float value, float f, if we have given the float value and here 6.6 and give the f and save it, run this method. So when you we have to put here f, because we have changed the integer from integer to float. So when you run this after saving this, so we have got the, you can change here float, save this, run hello world with float value 6.6. so we have got the float value. So we have multiple method we in the same class with the different arguments, then it can be overloaded with the same here when we call this same method with the value in the argument. So this is the concept of method overloading. Actually the polymorphism, we can say polymorphism, poly means many, and morphism means behavior. So this include that we have the many methods, and the behavior is also present in that. So this is the concept of polymorphism, and the method overloading is this. In the next video we will see the method overriding is also the concept of polymorphism. So till stay tuned, and please subscribe to our channel for the future video, and like comment is also necessary for our motivation. So